Samsung has gone on a folding spree across East London, and nobody is safe. To celebrate the launch of their new Galaxy Z Fold 6, they've transformed Old Street Station into Fold Street, bending everything in sight. Iconic red phone box? Folded. Lamppost? Bent in half. Even a park bench couldn't escape Samsung's folding frenzy. But the real showstopper is a folded London bus. Parked in Spitalfields, which Samsung regrettably hasn't renamed Spitalfolds, the massive bus is an incredible sight. Mercifully a single-decker, this two-scale bus was created by the artist Caspar Phillips, and apparently uses some recycled parts from real London buses. I tried to get on, but the doors wouldn't open, and if there was a driver inside, they ignored me. So that part at least felt authentic. The installation is sticking around for a couple more days, with Old Street set to return to normal after July 27th, so you have time to pop along and see it for yourself in all its folded glory. The compact Galaxy Z Flip 6 is notably absent from this marketing storm, but you can tune in for our full reviews to see if these foldable phones are worth the hype.